Chasteberry is the fruit of the chaste tree, a flowering shrub native to Asia and the Mediterranean region. Also known as Vitex or monk's pepper, chasteberry has been used for its medicinal purpose since the Middle Ages. Today, chasteberry is most commonly used to support women's health. Chasteberry supplements are available in tablets, capsules, and liquid formulas. Here are 5 potential benefits. Taking a chasteberry supplement has been shown to reduce high estrogen levels, the underlying cause of premenstrual syndrome. For those who suffer from PMS symptoms such as headaches, mood swings, breast tenderness, bloating, and fatigue, chasteberry may provide relief. By regulating the menstrual cycle, chasteberry may increase fertility. Chasteberry increases production of the luteinizing hormone, which stimulates ovulation, enables conception, and sustains pregnancy. When used alongside St. John's wort, chasteberry has been shown to improve menopause symptoms, including hot flashes and hormone-related insomnia. However, it's also important to note that chasteberry can actually cause insomnia in some people. Although more research is needed, chasteberry has antioxidant properties that could play a role in fighting certain forms of cancer. Some studies have found that chasteberry may help treat prostate, breast, colon, stomach, cervical, ovarian, and lung cancer cells. Chasteberry provides an anti-inflammatory effect by stimulating the body's opioid receptors, which reduces pain. For those who don't want to take over-the-counter pain relievers, chasteberry may be a good alternative. You should not take chasteberry if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or using birth control medications. Chasteberry should also be avoided in combination with certain antipsychotic drugs, as well as some medications for the treatment of Parkinson's disease. Make sure you speak with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. These are just a couple of benefits of adding chasteberry to your daily routine. For more information on chasteberry, click the link in our description. And if you're looking for more health-related videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day, spread the wellness.